Alright guys, welcome to the first video of the year. This video shows you how to find the standard deviation of problem 1 on your homework. So the first step that we need to do in order to find the standard deviation is to find the mean of the data. So we're going to add all 5 data points up, divide by 5, and that's going to give us the mean of our data set, which is 22.2. So standard deviation basically represents the average distance each data point is from the mean. So what we need to do next is figure out how far is each data point from the mean. So I'm taking the mean, 22.2, and subtracting each one of my data points to figure out how far they are from the mean. So I get 0.2, 4.2, 3.2, negative 2.8, and negative 4.8. The negatives are problematic. I don't want to find the average of a group of numbers that are both positive and negative, because when I add them up, they're going to end up being either 0 or close to 0. And that's not really helpful in helping me figure out about how far each data point is from the mean. So I next need to square my results from step 2. So I'm squaring the distances in order to get only positive values. And so you can see the results of doing that. The next step is basically finding the average of those squared differences. The reason being is we're still talking about the average distance, but we're just using the squared distances this time. And so when I add up the results from step 3 and divide by 5, I get 11.7, which I then am going to want to take the square root to kind of counteract the squaring that I did in step 3. Taking the square root kind of gets us back, since square root is the inverse operation of squaring something. So the standard deviation of this data set is 3.4, telling me that it's pretty compact, so the data is pretty consistent. Hope this helped.